guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fringe backdrop that you can use for any fun celebration. Here we go. Have you guys seen those beautiful and colorful, full of life fringe backdrops? I'm in love, so in love. So today I'm going to be making my version of it. Let's get started. This PVC pipe is 3/4 by 20 feet long, so it's pretty big. So what I'm going to do is cut it with my PVC cutter. I got this at Home Depot and I love it. So whenever I'm doing any type of DIY with PVCs or PVC pipes, I can just go ahead and do this. Nice. All right, so let's cut. So I'm gonna cut right about there, okay? I'm going to be using a 3/4 by 3/4 PVC coupling that is going to tie these two ends together to make it a round circle. Just make sure that when you buy your couplings, it says 3/4 by 3/4. Be very careful because they have 3/4 by half or by a quarter, and you don't want that because then you will have to go and exchange it and it's very annoying. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on one end and tie it on the other. Next, I'm going to be attaching this protective mesh covering. It's also called deer block. This is usually something you use to place in your garden to keep animals out. And I'm going to use it to attach the fringe. You can also use this Dollar Tree non-slip rug overlay, but you will have to glue a few of them together and then glue it to the frame, okay? So this is another alternative. This is $1, but you will have to buy a few. And this one is 23 bucks, and you get a lot for your money. It's 100 feet long. I'm going to use floral wire from Dollar Tree to attach the net to the frame. Alright, and that is nice and tight and secure. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut all of the excess netting around the frame. To decorate my backdrop, I'm going to be making my fringe out of table covers. These are rectangular covers that I got from Walmart. These are 97 cents there, or you can find these at Dollar Tree as well. And what I'm going to do is just cut them into strings and then place them on the backdrop. And then I'm also going to be using a foil fringe curtain in the color pink, and I like it because it's metallic, so it can give it a little bit of pop. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to turn these table covers into fringe. Now it's time to place the fringe on the netting. And if you're wondering how I hung the frame on the wall, I use thumbtacks and fishing line. That's what I use. All right. So basically what I did was place the thumbtacks right on top on the board, and I have fishing line connected to it. And that's that. Very easy. I'm going to be starting from the bottom, and I'm also going to be cutting these strings in half, okay? Because they're pretty long. You already cut this in half, and then you are going to fold it in half as well. Make a loop, okay? And then you are going to put this loop through one of the holes, all right? you're gonna bring it over, and then you are going to put the rest of the string through the loop, okay? And that's how you secure it. Now I'm gonna give it a little trim, and that will be it, guys. All right, guys, this is it. This is my Fringe backdrop, and it is absolutely fun and amazing. I love it. What I love about this is that you can use it at any celebration. Baby showers, bridal showers, weddings, quinceañeras, sweet 16, anniversaries, you name it. You can use it anytime, anywhere. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my Fringe backdrop, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that would love to have this beautiful and colorful and full of life backdrop, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.